Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best Paneer Tikka in detail with my Prestige OTG model number POTG 19PCR with 19 liters capacity. Friends, if you're visiting my channel for the first time and if you really like my video and my recipe, please hit a like and please subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the recipe with the marination process. Take a mixing bowl and add 400 grams of thick curd. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder followed by 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, Kashmiri red chilli powder 1 tablespoon and dried kasuri methi 1 tablespoon. Crush with your palm and add. To this add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of Cumin powder. Tandoori Chicken masala powder 3/4 teaspoon, but this is optional, and add 1 teaspoon of Chaat masala powder and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder followed by roasted channa dal powder 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice taken from half medium sized lemon and 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix all these very well. Now to this add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Don't skip this. This is going to give you a very good flavor. So add mustard oil 2 tablespoons and mix thoroughly. Now to this add 400 grams of paneer diced into cubes. These are de-seeded tomatoes, diced de-seeded tomatoes and green and yellow capsicum. I have not added diced onions in this recipe. If you want, you can add if you like the onion flavor. Now mix very gently, otherwise the paneer may get crushed. Now cover it and marinate in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours. Now after 4 hours, now it's the time to grill. Wash and wipe the wooden skewers and rub with some oil so that it would be easy to remove the grilled paneer and veggies off the skewers. Now insert the marinated paneer, tomato and capsicum one by one into the skewer like this way. The skewers are ready. Now time to preheat the oven. Remove all the trays from the oven. You're not supposed to preheat the oven with the trays inside. We are going to grill these tikkas at 180 degrees centigrade. So the preheating temperature also should be at 180 degrees centigrade. Choose the grill function option where the upper heating rods would get heated and set the preheating time for 10 minutes. You can also grill at 20 degrees centigrade if you want the paneer to be charred well, but I prefer my paneer to be soft and very lightly charred, and hence I am grilling at 180 degrees centigrade. Now place the grilling tray over the drip tray and brush with some oil like this. Arrange the skewers on it. Now slide in the drip tray and slide in the grill tray at the top shelf. Grill at 180 degrees centigrade with the same function mode for 5 minutes. Now done, remove the tray from the oven and twist the skewers so that the paneer and the veggies get cooked evenly on all sides. Now spray some oil. Now place the tray and grill for 5 more minutes. Now done, remove the tray from the oven. You can see how perfectly the paneer and the veggies have been grilled and charred beautifully. Friends, please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and share the recipe with your family and friends. And please press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.